function value and a quadrant are given, find the other 5 function values. So we know the cotangent is -3. The cotangent of an angle theta is -3. So the first thing I do is find the tangent. All right, because I don't want to work with the cotangent. Anytime I'm given a cotangent, I'm just going to go to tangent and then work from there. So the tangent's the reciprocal. All right, so if cotangent is -3, then the tangent is 1/3, negative. We might have to worry about where that negative goes. Remember, -1/3 is the same thing as -1/3 or 1/-3. They're all the same thing. But if I draw my picture, that should help me figure that out. So I'm in quadrant 2. Tangent's -1/3. So here's my angle, theta. The tangent of that angle is -1/3. I can draw a triangle. And I can label the sides of the triangle. So tangent's y/x. And then now I know which one's negative, right? Which one's negative, the 1 or the 3? It's got to be the 3. And that'll help me when I find my other 5 trig functions. So in order to find this distance r from the origin to the end of my triangle there, or the hypotenuse really, I use the Pythagorean theorem, which in trig form looks like this. All right, and I just plug stuff in. So that would be -3 squared plus 1 squared, and that's equal to square root of 10. And once I have that, I'm just running everything through. So this is, r is root 10, y is 1, x is -3, and from there I just run them through my definitions, my new definitions. That let's do sine first. Sine of theta is y/r, which in this case is 1/√10. Cosine of theta is x/r, which is -3/√10. And then I can find the cotangent. We could have done that one right away. Oh, cotangent's given, so we don't have to worry about that one. The secant, or the cosecant rather, is the reciprocal of the sine, which is √10/1, or just √10. And then finally, the secant of theta is √10/3 negative. Okay, and those are the other 5 values.